Hi everyone. I wanted to show you how you can get your Wi-Fi password easily. You may have forgot it, don't know where you wrote it down, for example, or it may be for a Wi-Fi network that you've not used for a while, but you will need to connect to it again and you can't remember the password. So the method I'm going to show you uses a Windows machine. It uses the Windows command line application. And you do not have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network to which you're looking for the password. So this will show you, or this will enable you to find the password from any Wi-Fi network that you've ever successfully connected to. So the first thing that you want to do is connect to the command prompt on Windows. So just type in CMD for command prompt and press enter. Once you're in the command prompt, you want to type this line. So net sh, which is short for net shell, WLAN, show profiles, and press enter. So these are all of the Wi-Fi networks that this particular machine has ever connected to. I want to remember the password to this one, built by Pete. So the way to do that is, once again, type the same command, net sh wlan show, this time profile, and then in inverted commas, in double quotes, type in the name of the Wi-Fi that you want to know the password from, and then space, and then do key equals clear and press enter. So now if you look at what it returns, you can see here where it says key content, that's your Wi-Fi password, and here it's revealed it. Mine is sub, like, and share. Of course it would be, but there you go. So I could have typed in that command line, show you here again. So where it says built by Pete, that could be any of the Wi-Fi SSIDs that your computer has connected to successfully in the past. Anyway, nice and easy. I hope that helps. If it does, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everyone.